Hence, question types where you will replace the R. In this kind of questions, you will be given a particular sum. The general term that you want to find looks a little bit different. Okay, this question type, the general term looks a bit different, but can be made the same with a replacement. Okay, so for such replacement questions, again, just like your previous questions, always start from the one you want to find. I want to find this, I start from. Never start from the given. Okay, start from what you want to find. So can I just start from here, then we go through the box above as we go along. Let's start writing out from that question on the right. I would like to go from this term to this term. The general term doesn't match. I want to do a replacement. So to make general term the same, you perform replacement. Let me write more of R by, you go for R plus or minus a constant. But when you do this kind of replacements, must be careful. A must be an integer. Whole numbers only. Can be negative, doesn't matter, but must be an integer. So what's a replacement? To go from this term to the previous one. If you check the lower limit, or rather the denominator is easier, R plus 2 to become R plus 1, you will be replacing R by R minus 1. Now, don't have to write this in blue. I'm just showing you what I am going to do next. The replacement should come at 3 positions. It must be at the lower limit, at the upper limit, and also at your term. So on your general term, you must also replace to that R minus 1. Next step, simplify your limits first. Can we make R the subject? So it becomes 3 to n plus 1. Move the minus 1 over. Right side, no change. It's 4R minus 4 now. Second step is back to what you have done earlier on today. If this is 3, the given one is 1, you must force them to be the same by adding or subtracting terms. So can we force it to the number 1? We have seen something like that just now. We force it to 1. General term stays the same. Some of you are making mistakes at this kind of lines. To be correct, you may think of the R values. The R on the previous line is 3, 4, 5 onwards. The R on the new line is 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. So who are the extra terms? 1 and 2 are extra compared to the previous row. If you have extra, you subtract away, minus off. Minus off the R equals to 1, minus off the R equals to 2, minus those two terms. When R is 1, you are subtracting from the general term. You put R to the general term. It happens to be 0. Okay, when R is 1, this is 0. When R is 2, we sub in. I will get 4 over 3, 4, 5. This is one way. Alternatively, you can think of it as a block of 2 terms. You could also subtract R is 1 to 2 of your general term. If you are subtracting 2 terms, you could have presented as a sum as well. That is also fine. Okay, and last step is usually upper limit. Upper limit n plus 1. The given one is n. So we just change this to accordingly to n plus 1. Okay, that's why I say upper limit is a simple replacement on the right side. Okay, so we finish up. Let's change to n plus 1. Okay, so in general, I need you to know that for this kind of replacement question from the new to the old, your order of steps should be fix the general term first, replace the R, then you go to lower limit, make it the same, last you do upper limit. It should be done in this flow, general term lower than upper limit.